So here's the Dynatrap XL. I heard a commercial on the radio, and then thought I looked at their website, and they had I think it was a 42-day guarantee, so 6 weeks. So in 6 weeks, they say that they should significantly reduce the number of mosquitoes that you have. And so I figured that was worth a shot. So I plugged it in a few weeks ago, I think around the 1st of June, and so this is what it looks like inside right now. It's been going for almost a month, so it's got a couple more weeks. You can see it picks up a lot of moths, and it picks up a lot of other kinds of bugs too, which I'm okay with, as long as it's not picking up bumblebees and things like that. Flies, it can have those all day long. So anyway, it's got some lights across the top that of course that attract different insects, especially at night. And then they say it's got some kind of output where it outputs carbon dioxide, which is what it says attracts mosquitoes to people. And so it has that, and then it has a fan that when they fly near the lights, they get sucked in. And so obviously it's working. It's attracting some kinds of bugs, and I have noticed a decrease in the number of mosquitoes that I have. So overall, I think it's been a good investment. But I'll come back to it in a couple of more weeks and see if I still agree with that. And also, it's hard on it because, of course, I got the garden going. It's pretty moist in the garden, and then I've got this output for my air conditioner right here that makes the ground moist through there. So I mean, it's got a pretty good challenge with it trying to get mosquitoes. But there's the Dynatrap.